clothes too, but he's using all like Texas Rangers and the clothes on the couch.
Ay guys, kape tayo. Masyadong maraming nangyayari sa umagang ito. Hindi kinakaya ng ating utak na wala pang
Mommy, what
kape.
did you say?
Ha?
What did you say?
I said I'm gonna have my coffee. It's much needed right now.
But why did you say you drawn on the couch?
Ah, yeah. She drew on the couch. Napagalitan ng apakaaga itong ating day. Ang hilig na rin kasi nito mag-drawing-drawing. Nakikisali kasi sa mga drawing-drawing. Nakakuha ng texture dito. Ay, nako guys. Ano ka lang ng isang segundo lang. Andun na siya sa couch at
And you've been
mag-drawing.
in this drawing done. Happy.
Oh, you're showing guys. Oh. Oh, wow! So cool! Good luck talaga sa couch. Paano natin yung tatanggalin? Buti sa cover lang. Kasi naka-cover na yung couch namin, di ba?
How we gonna need the cover? Because let's take it off.
May gymnastics yan si Ayla. Alis
Let's
yan
put it
sila.
in the fridge, Mama.
Mga in 10 minutes alis yan sila.
What can
Put
you
this on the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to put your drawing on the fridge?
Uh,
Yeah? Say all done. Say all done. All done. Ay, paano yun? Apaka-blue pa naman talaga. Apaka-bright blue. Ang bago pa talaga yung kinuha. Yung bago pa talaga yung nagano niya. Oh. One last one and then you're done.
Dad.
All done. Oh, show daddy your drawing. Oh, show daddy your drawing. Say all done. Show daddy. Show daddy. You wanna go on and draw more? More? Put it in the sink, Alo. All done. Show daddy. Drawing. No, no more. Okay, come here. You wanna sit? You wanna sit and draw? Isama yan ni Dan si Arlo. May iwan ako dito sa Batang Bael. Nawawala yung tripod ko. Asa na yun? Oh, kahapon. You wanna sit here? What? You want this? Yung biskotso? Biskotso. Biskotso.
Mama,
What?
I love you.
I love you too.
And how will we open this?
It's gonna be really messy, but it's okay. We have a new vacuum now.
Superpower.
Yeah, I'm right. I told you.
I have superpower.
You have a superpower.
I can open it like this. I can, and I can.
Masarap na biskotso na to, guys.
Open, and I can.
Ano bang brand nito?
Open like this, Mama.
Na ano ko siya, inakat ko na siya.
And I
Bongbongs?
open like this. Mommy, I can open like this.
Yep.
Now,
Amazing. So strong. Yung may rolling pin, yeah, bongbong sa atato. Ang sarap. Sarap, di ba, di? Yeah. Yeah, so yummy. Isa lang yung binili ko niyan. Ay. Pero may expire ba to soon? Parang hindi ata. Bongbong nga. Bongbong. Bakulog pala to. Nabili ko to sa Shamrock Express. Ang sarap. More? Alo, can you get in this water, please? Thank you, boys. What happened? What did he do? Alo, not there. Just there, oh. Next to your toy.
This one?
Yeah, water. Thank you, boys.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
This pink one.
That pink one, yeah. Say thank you, Kuya.
Go to the toilet before we go, buddy.
Oh, you need to go to the toilet. You know too.
I've already been to the toilet.
Oh.
You go, you take a long one. Quick.
I know upstairs in the
Up to you,
toilet.
mate. You choose where you want to go.
Go.
You do,
Go.
Unsa?
You got 5 seconds and up to 4.
Ba ben mo di.
Ready? Put it back.
Yeah.
Oh,
Take away mum ready.
I'm Andy first and mommy. Andy and bye.
Bye, Dada.
Alright.
Say bye, Kuya.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll see you.
Say bye, Daddy.
I'll see you in the.
I'll see you later, baby.
I'll see you. I love you.
Oh, we love you, boys. Say love you. Say love you, Kuya Alo. Yeah. Say bye to Dada.
Bye.
Say bye to Daddy.
Bye.
Bye.
Aww. Good job, Didi. Good talking. Say bye.
Ah.
Uy, bye lagi. Bye na. Sabi niya parang iiwan ako ah. Oh, say bye. Gusto sumama. Dada. It's okay, it's okay. Nasa toilet si Ayla. Ha? Alo shoes? The phone's in the car. In my car.
Mommy.
Say bye to ate.
Bye.
Bye, babe. Enjoy.
Bye, Andy.
Say bye. Aw, she's coming to hug you. Say bye, ate. Aw, go, baby. Bye, ate.
Bye.
Bye. Tama na, ang dami mo nang iyak today.
Bye.
Ang aga-aga. Ang dami mo nang iyak.
Bye.
It's okay, hug mommy. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Sige, magwalis si mami sa labas. Found my tripod. Nasa car lang siya. Yeah. No, don't buy that. Anyway, oh my gosh, anong uunahin natin? Tingnan niyo to, guys. Pero maya na muna, inunahin na muna natin tong apaka-eyesore kong dining table. Tingnan niyo siya, oh. Pagising ni Ayla, while nagbe-breakfast, kinukuha niya talaga yung kanyang mga pang-arts and crafts. And nagdo-drawing, nagkakat-kat ng kung ano-ano, gumagawa ng kung ano-ano. So, ito yung nagawa niya kanina. She made a flower na may pastempa yung ganyan. She also made this. Sobrang dami niya nagagawa sa isang araw. Ang dami ng dumi. So, let's clean this up. Let's vacuum the floor kasi may mga crumbs dyan because of Didi. And let's try and wipe the couch. Yes, after this. And then I have laundry as well. Kaya lang, kailangan ko kasing umakyat para kunin yung mga damit sa taas. So, maya na yung laundry. Unahin muna natin tong nasa baba.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
Alright, let's tackle you. Alcohol and cloth. Naman. Who did this? Who did this? Who did it? Is it D? D. Don't touch. Don't touch? Ikaw, bail sa jud ka, oy. Kami. Don't touch. Asa Luis? Go, go, see? Go. Oh! Amazing! It's coming off. Hoy. Yay! Look at that! So cool! Amazing. Say amazing. See? Parang wala lang nangyari, di. Ulitin mo, di. Wag! Wag! Bail ka. Ang bata ka. Meron ka sa damit mo. Let's put alcohol on your clothes. Yeah, come here. Good job with listening. Come to mama. Come to mama. Alcohol. Good. Ooh, so cool. Hmm? Ooh, so cool. Yay! Let's put a little bit more. Pero yung mga textures naman ng mga bata, mostly wipeable naman sila. So, it's not as hard. Pero kapag sa fabric kasi, nakakatakot, di ba? It's good, guys. It's gone. It's gone. Hindi ka man, let me wipe your clothes. Baka ma-transfer yan sa kung saan. Come here. 1, 2. It's kind of coming off, but not really. Depende siguro sa material. That's alright. I don't really care about the clothes. It's good! Amazing. Let's do laundry. Take this off. Do laundry. Take this one off. This one, take off this one. Let's go. See? Ang aga uminit ng ulo ko, di. Nangyari kasi yung lahat. Wala pa akong kape. So yung ulo ko talaga may kasama ko. Napagalitan kita, di. Sorry, di. Pinagalitan ko siya. Umiyak siya, guys. Tapos naisip ko, my goodness, bata pa siya, hindi niya alam. Hindi niya alam, no? Sorry, di. Let's go. Sorry, di. Sorry. You're saying, it's okay, mama. Let's do laundry. Yeah. Nung napansin ni Dan na mainit yung ulo ko, sabi niya, Arlo, sama ka sa akin sa gymnastics. Ang daming gagawin ng mama mo. Ang dami yung kalat. May... Ay, nako de. Ikaw ba? Bail ka nga ba? Bail ka nga ba? Ha? Kumuha ng napi doon sa basurahan. Sa basurahan. Unsaon man na nimo napi? Inamay tai. Unsaon man na nimo, ha? Sulti ko. Unsaon nimo napi? Ay, sorry. Unsaon man to nimo? Why am I here? Oh, laundry. Not much in here. Did Daddy bring it down already? No. Happy day. Happy day. Oh, it's here. There you go. Happy day. Oy, ano yan? No. Come on. Sabi ko sa inyo kung ano-ano na lang talaga. De, come here, de.
Okay.
Follow mama.
I'll be.
Come on. Oy, come here. De! De! No. Ay. Ano yung dala mo? Give me that. Thank you. Bail nga, de. Downstairs. Come here. Huy! Diri, ubos. Yeah, good job. Well done. Helping. Alright, let's go. Good job! Okay, come on. Yeah, dalon sa dani mo. Tingnan niyo yung kamay. Allah. See? It's heavy. Come on. Happy D. Say happy D. I'm happy D. Okay?
Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough.
Alright, you guys, update. She's back. And Alo and Daddy is at the shops doing grocery shopping. Is it locked? Punta kami sa labas kasi tingnan nyo na naman, guys. Apakadami na namang leaves. Very windy kasi lately and ang dami nga kasing kahoy. Oh wait, I need to get in this monitor. It's about leaves. My goodness. Sobrang daming leaves. Ang init. Pero hindi maaraw. Pero ang init. Alright. Yung iniisip ko, gagawin ko to ngayon tapos bukas kasi marami na naman yan dyan. Alam ko na this. The leaves. I'm gonna clean this now. It will look good for a couple hours and then it will be back. I need to move the bikes out of the way. Can you help me?
If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
And she is awake. Are awake, Didi. Go to ate. Go, Bubbles. Go, Ayla. Woo! So cool! Sige, dito ka sa grass kasi magmamap ako dyan. Go. Go play with Atat. Go, ate. Woo! So cool! Maybe do it there, Baba. So there's no bikes. Yeah, do it there, my love. There. Go there, Indy. Look, go to ate. Good job. There you go.
Ready, set,
Cool.
Dee.
Good singing. Dito na si Daddy. Put away niya to kasi may antok na naman na Didi. Sige na, para makapag-marinate ako ng meat. And then, makapag-prepare for dinner. Day. TUV. What's that? A chicken? I thought I'm doing that. Is that dinner tonight? Yeah.
Okay.
So I need to do the burger patty and the pork.
Yeah.
There. You got the perfume?
Mama, coming, Mama.
Huh?
Daddy, come.
Oh, thanks. Thank you.
Mommy, I want pasta with cheese.
Pasta with cheese? Okay, sige. Just wait, Indy. Thank you. This is her second lunch. She already had pasta.
She likes it, don't you?
Yeah, that's good. Finish it, okay? And this is for Arlo, my love. Here, ate. Huh? Ah, here, ate, cheese. Your pasta. You guys, update. 3:49. Magmamarinate ako ng pang pork barbecue bukas. Kasi may bisita tayo bukas. So, i-marinate ko to. Meron tayong isang slab ng pork belly. Sakto na ba to? Okay din, may pansit din daw kami eh. Gusto ko sanang mag-nap. Ay, naku. Tapos inisip ko, kailangan ko tayo marinate.
나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각들 yeah. Look at me baby you and me 하루 종일 혼자라도 not only lonely Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah. 따뜻한 너의 품 거울 들어 이렇게 눈 맞추면 You make me go crazy all the little things you do You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 나는 사랑과 내게 쳐도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 난 원해 너의 눈 The sweetest 누군가 나에게 어디가 그렇게 좋냐고 물어보면 난 이렇게 대답할래 내게 10번의 기회가 있다도 나에게 올린 해가 2번 아니 3번 뜰 때까지 너의 옆에 Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah 이런 맘정야 I wanna know everything about you 살짝 몰래 내게 입 맞추면 You make me go crazy all the little things you do You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 나는 사랑과 내게 쳐도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear
Guys, apakadami nang nangyari. It is 5:54, malapit na mag-6. Ang pamilya ko ay nasa labas. So finally, tahimik na ang bahay. Gagawa ako ng sauce for my pork barbecue. So yung pork barbecue, pang bukas talaga yun. Pero kuha ako ng konti for my dinner tonight. Ang kids kasi ay mag-chicken tenders, si Dan chicken schnitzel. Kasi meron kaming maraming chicken breast na natira. Plano ko talaga siyang schnitzel tapos i-store lang sa freezer. Pero sabi ni Dan, chicken schnitzel na lang din yung dinner niya. So nakagawa pa ako kanina ng 5 chicken breast na pang store. May isa dito. So 4 na lang yung stinor ko. Oh my gosh, ang sarap nitong ating sauce, malaman. Lagyan ko siya ng cucumber. Nakasalang na sa air fryer ang aking pork barbecue. Air fried pork barbecue. Ay, ang sarap nito. Extra fuzzy si Indy today. Ewan namin anong nangyayari sa kanya. At hindi siya ganun kadali i-please today. Alright, so lagyan ko lang yan na magic sarap na to. Ay, sarap na nito. Chili. Oops. Ayun na, pumuputok-putok na ang aking pork doon. Oh my gosh, thank you Lord. Ay, ang bango. Buyag, buyag. Thank you, Lord. Yummy, Kois?
See.
Kain tayo, guys.
Six,
Nilagay ko na
seven.
dito yung barbecue. Nilagay ko sa sauce. Kasi
What?
gusto ko
But
magkamay.
I mean, but
Yum, kain tayo.
I guess I'm not.
Nakahubad na naman yung Danny
Daddy,
Boy ko eh.
I was wrong. It's 160.
Mm.
Some more eggs.
More egg.
Yeah.
Mm. Ang sarap ng sauce.
No. It's egg. And I want. Instead of
Yeah, buddy.
eating all of the bread,
Just water.
I like eating all of them. That's what Daddy. Can I please have sauce? No, I mean I don't want. I want milk.
Lumalaban din siya di. Makain ng chicken. Say bye to ate. Say bye to ate.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye to kuya. Say bye to kuya. Galit na siya. Sabi niya, tara na mami, matulog na tayo. Say bye to kuya first. Say bye to kuya.
Bye.
Moy. Hug kuya, hug kuya. Kapajamas na kami. Machi-machi kami lahat. Machi-machi. Say bye. Say bye.
I shouldn't have to pour it up.